Yay! I am back. I have taken a while to actually do a video. I think it's been almost 2 weeks. Oh, so sorry. So, what we have here is some nail mail. Yay! It's always fun. And this is from Maniology. And so, let's take it all out. How about one by one? What we have here is some nail polish. Well, stamping. No, not today, Cat. And I got greens. I wanted something, I don't have greens, and so this is for flower stems and for leaves. So I got some of those. I needed to replace my stamper. So let's see what this one looks like. I love Maniology stampers. They pick up so well. I just have to open it. Here is cleaning instructions right here. So this is a Maniology scraper. And this is the ice cube stamper right here. Look how clear that is. That is just so clear and it's sticky. Beautiful. Yay! So excited about that. I had gotten 2. I always mess them up. And here is soft sage. I've gotten 2 soft sages. That goes over there. And here are the nail stamping plates. They came out with a new T plate. This is Maniology M273. And it has a bunch of T designs on it. So excited. I love this right here. This could go for so many things. I love coffee and tea. So good. I like what it says here. 100%. What does it say? 100% sweet. Cheese foam, extra boba. And the kitty cat right here is so cute. So, and then they had a coffee one. This is Maniology's M228. Oh, look at that. Perfect for summertime. Coffee. I love the coffee heartbeat right here. Oh yeah, that is so me. Caffeinating. So perfect. In coffee we trust. Keep our eyes open with toothpicks. Oops. And that is so cool. And here's this long one, and this is perfect for reverse stamping. I mean, look at that. It's just croissants and coffee and tea and all sorts of cute things in there. Excellent. And then this one is a 4th of July Independence Day plate with fireworks and hearts. Let freedom ring. 4th of July. Flag Day was just recently. That's today. No, yesterday, June 14th. Yes, I love USA. This is perfect for putting around your nail as like a French stars. That truck. The truck is what sold me on the plate. Yes, exactly. The truck with the stars. I love the little red truck. Oops. Keeps going in and out of focus. Focus, dude. Alright, so that's the Independence plate. This is the stems and flowers, and you could do so many with these for embellishments on so many areas of your nail art. You could do so much with this. This one's M282. I keep on getting my face in there. Butterflies and flowers. So cool. Love it. And the last plate is their tree planting plate. I love the forest scenes in there and the deer. This is Maniology by One Tree Planted, M294 for forest conservation. The deer and the trees and the bears, the mountain sceneries that you can layer, and it is just so nicely, beautifully done and etched. And I love the scene right here with the mountains and sun. So those are the plates. That's what I got. So let's swatch these green. In order sometimes to get oils off of your stamper, sometimes you need to lay it on a paper towel or a piece of paper, and you can see some of the oils come off of the head. Just lay it on there, and you can try and get oils off from just being made if it's not picking up as well as you like it to. So let's see here. Put it in here. It's very easy to get replacement heads for these. There you go. You just place it right back in there. So let's do this image right here. Whee! And swatch these. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? It's just so pretty. Soft sage. This seemed kind of sheer. That picked up beautifully. Look at that. And there is that soft sage. Did well over white and black. Nice. Let me take our lint roller. Lint roll it off. And we'll go for this other green over here. Beautiful. Beautiful color. Picked up really nicely again. Swatched perfectly. Oh, I love it. There's so many neat details in this plate. I love it. Perfect. They both turned out really, really nice. So this is Soft Sage and Seedling. They did excellent.